Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video we're going to be trying something completely new. And if this video does well, there will be a lot more of these videos coming soon. In this video I'm going to be 3D printing, but I'm actually going to be doing something pretty awesome, even more awesome than just the concept of 3D printing. I'm going to be 3D printing Legos, fully functioning Legos that I can use. In this specific video, I'm going to be printing out a 2x2 Lego, and we're going to be testing it out on other bricks to see if it works. So yeah, let's get into it. The color that we're going to be using today is white. Here is the actual print. It looks real from over here. Like, it does not look printed at all. But we're gonna test if it actually acts like a real Lego brick. I have a real orange 2x2 Lego brick right here. And we're gonna test to see if it fits. Now, unfortunately, the print is a bit smaller. So, it doesn't have, obviously, it can't have all the same functionalities due to its size, but it is pretty much the same size, so I shouldn't even be saying that because right next to each other they look the exact same size, but on top of each other they look a bit different, so we're going to test that out now. Right there. And it sticks like a regular Lego brick would. So yeah, you can tell that the size is a bit different just by looking at that from there. But otherwise from here it just looks like a regular brick. It works like a regular brick, so yeah, that's basically it. Also, before I end the video, I just want to say, guys, that last year was an awesome year. I did some pretty awesome things last year, thanks to you guys. So I'd just like to thank you guys for all the support, to all my subscribers, and to everyone that's just helped me. Because when I first started, I didn't know that I would get to this point pretty early on. So, thank you. Bye.